Palo de las cintas del arco iris. Necesitamos un palo grande, cintas de los colores del arco iris: rojo, anaranjado, amarillo, verde, azul, morado, y tijeras, y un adulto para ayudarte. Las cintas necesitan ser doble el tamaño de su brazo. Y vamos a medir los otros: rojo, anaranjado, amarillo, verde, azul y morado. Cortamos. Cortamos anaranjado. Es difícil. Cortamos amarillo. Cortamos el verde. Cortamos azul. Y cortamos morado. Ahora vamos a atar las cintas del arco iris en un palo grande. Rojo, rojo, atamos rojo, rojo, rojo. Anaranjado, anaranjado, atamos anaranjado, 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 anaranjado. Muy bien. Amarillo, amarillo, atamos amarillo, 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 atamos amarillo. Uy, es muy difícil. Atamos, atamos, atamos. Muy bien. Atamos verde, atamos verde. Verde, 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 atamos verde. Así. Azul, azul, atamos azul. Atamos azul, azul, azul. Muy bien. Morado, morado, atamos morado, morado, morado. Es todo. Muy bien. Rainbow ribbon stick. We need a big stick, ribbons that are the color of the rainbow. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and scissors. And an adult to help you. There's the adult. Adulto. That's adult. Adulto. The ribbons need to be as long as 2 lengths of your arm. So measure once and then measure it again. And then cut the red. Let's cut the red. There we go. Now we're going to measure out the other ones using that same measurement. So we have red first, and then we just put down orange. Orange, and now we have yellow. There's the yellow. And then we have some green. Green. And then there's blue. Blue. And finally we have purple. Purple. Okay, now we're cutting the orange. Let's cut orange. Cut, cut, cut. Ah, it's a little difficult. Okay, let's cut yellow. Let's cut yellow. Yay. I'm using that one to measure out and make sure I cut it long enough. I'm going to cut green next. Let's cut green. Now let's cut blue. There we go. And let's cut purple. Yes. Okay. Let's tie them onto our big stick. Red, red, we're tying on red. Red ribbon, red. La cinta roja, red. Orange, orange, we're tying on orange. Anaranjada. La cinta anaranjada. The orange ribbon. La cinta anaranjada. The orange ribbon. Yellow, yellow, we're tying on yellow. La cinta amarilla. The yellow ribbon. La cinta amarilla. This one's a little tricky. La cinta amarilla. Yellow. The yellow ribbon. There we go. Alright, green, green, we're tying on green. La cinta verde, the green ribbon. La cinta verde, the green ribbon. Blue, blue, we're tying on blue. La cinta azul, the blue ribbon. La cinta azul, the blue ribbon. Morado. Oops, purple, purple, we're tying on purple. My brain's thinking in Spanish. La cinta morada, the purple ribbon. There we go.